what's going on?
What's going on?
Hey.
The chicken is hot.
Look at this.
Hot.
How the hell y'all doing today? Y'all see I got on my glasses. Don't I look good?
No, you look good.
Yeah.
You like Steve Urkel?
Uh-huh.
You looking like Steve Urkel's sister, okay?
I got some more sharks here.
Syndrome, okay?
Oh, y'all see this chicken.
I'm dead, bro.
Y'all hear light right back there?
I had hot sauce. Get some hot sauce.
Boy, I tell you. This is good as hell.
I'm dead, bro.
Fresh, what?
This is my new person right here. So when y'all see her, y'all better watch out. Because y'all know y'all in for a treat. Yes, you is. Look at this chicken. Ooh, Lord.
I'm gonna turn into a damn chicken real soon.
I'm dead, bro.
What you say over there, Light Bright? Light Bright over there tying that goddamn chicken up. While she over there talking.
So you gonna turn into a chicken real soon.
I'm dead.
For real.
But family, how y'all doing today?
Yeah, I know you gotta take the glasses out. I know you can't focus right.
I can't.
I'm dead.
Try to concentrate on eating.
I just want to give y'all some good eating. Down, home,
Get down to get down.
get down. Hot as hell. Y'all best to believe.
Best to believe 1, 2, 3 ABC.
Y'all gonna see me hit her in the eye. And that's no lie. Y'all know she love messing with me. Look at here. Look at here. Here, have some.
Long Banjul.
Go.
Long Banjul.
Bonjour. Fali fufu. Ain't nothing like a good old piece of chicken. Down home on the farm. This sharks, they got it going on. Y'all see how I'm chewing it. Rocking on the song. Ain't nothing but a hound dog. Ain't really gonna go today.
You know who that is?
Yes, they do.
Ow.
That's Elvis.
Wow, you gonna laugh? Oh,
No, I ain't want to take no chance on stopping. Missing the beat.
Eating that good old chicken. Eating that good old chicken. Eating that good old chicken. Eating that good old chicken.
Y'all know this chicken got to be good as hell.
Ain't that good old chicken.
The way I'm eating it.
Ain't that good old chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't that good old chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't that good old chicken.
Uh-huh.
Ain't that good old chicken.
Uh-huh.
Ain't that good old chicken.
Uh-uh.
Ain't that good old chicken.
Uh-uh.
Ain't that good old chicken.
Uh-uh.
Ain't that good old chicken.
Huh-huh. Family, we just feeling real good in the hood on the food, real good. Eating that good old chicken, eating that good old chicken, eating that good old chicken. Do it, do it, do it. Eating that good old chicken, eating that good old cooking.
You mad.
Did y'all hear that?
That's a
Oh, I
baby
got
fart.
ketchup. Light Bright is over there. I'm not Light Bright. That's Queen Mezziah. Did you hear that? She let one loose for y'all.
I ain't fart that.
Light Bright got gas too now. You know, after eating, I gotta go back to this piece because, you know, see, still some skin on it. Skin is in.
I'm good.
Yes, it is.
I'm good.
Yes, it is. Ain't nothing like some good old fried chicken. Do it, do it, do it. Hey,
Oh, goddamn.
she didn't waste a goddamn chicken on the floor. We gonna have ants like a mug.
No,
in
we
here.
not. No, we not.
Ooh, and it had mild sauce on it, and she got it on the floor.
No, I know.
She got it on the floor. She got it on the floor.
No, I picked it up.
She got it on the floor.
I'm picking it up.
She put it on the floor.
I'm picking it up.
Let it go. When them ants is crawling on her ass, she'll find out. Did it all get on there?
No.
Them ants, they ain't no joke. I hate this kind. Cause you got to put down the little ant housing, the boric acid, cause they will crawl on your ass. Especially food. Ants can smell food a mile away. Mm-hmm. They come. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look how crispy this piece of skin. Mmm. 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 Whew. Boy, look at him. Mm. Yummy for your tummy. Hey.
My rice cabbage. I eat my rice cabbage.
Hey.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
She didn't lost a man. She lost a man.
Y'all don't mad me. I know I'll be joking around.
Y'all know she loved doing that. Did you get up all that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm worried about these ants.
I got up all of it.
If it's crumbs down there, they coming. They come underneath your door. If you don't know,
Don't show.
you got to flow. Ha ha. Mm. Mm.
There ain't no crumbs on the floor.
Oh Lord. Mm. 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 Mm.
What What you eating? You ain't eating nothing else. Ain't no more skin.
This skin is good.
Ain't no more chicken.
It is some more
Ain't no
chicken.
more chicken. What you eating?
Chicken.
What you eating? You ain't eating nothing.
Yes, I am. I need me a glass of water.
Oh, you must want me to go and get it. You want me to go get your glass of water?
I'm not getting it. I'm gonna pop.
It's some pop?
Yes.
Oh.
I think it's flat.
I don't know flat pop.
Ooh, I like your booty stink, girl. I eat my rice and cabbage.
I eat my rice and cabbage.
Yummy, yummy, yummy,
Mm.
yummy, 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 yummy. I eat my rice and cabbage. I
Mm.
eat my rice and cabbage. That's my new song, y'all. I'm finna drop it. It's called Yummy.
Y'all gotta excuse that. That did a little flip there. Okay? Yes, it did. 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 Mm-hmm. Libra, give me one more leg.
Get her on my leg.
Do you want my who? You
Leg.
said my leg?
Not your leg. A chicken leg. Mm-hmm. I need one more of those legs. Oh, look at here.
It's a drumstick.
Oh, look at
Oh,
this
it's
leg.
fried.
It's not a leg, it's a drumstick.
TT. Guess the type of noodles I had.
Mm. Ah,
Look, you'll see.
Boy, I tell you, I ain't even saying this chicken is good as hell. Every time I eat from that shark.
Oh, no.
You done over there?
Mm-hmm.
Is you done over there?
Yes, I am. Family,
Family, kids.
I'm done now.
I'm done.
If y'all don't give me the likes, subscribe,
Hit that notification.
notification,
Hit that bell.
y'all know I love y'all.
Hit that bell.
I gotta kind of change it up a little bit. I can't keep on doing it all the same way because y'all gonna get bored.
Like.
And I love y'all.
Hit that bell.
Y'all be safe.
Hit that bell.
Hit the 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 thumbs up. Hit the bell and thumbs up.
The bell and thumbs up. Y'all hearing Queen Mezziah over there. And she let one loose for y'all, okay? For y'all fart lovers, okay? And Light Bright over there, she always into her phone.
She texting.
She texting. But I love y'all family. And y'all know y'all be seeing me soon, okay?
Wait.
That was a little fart. I don't know if y'all even heard that. Okay, she always getting off little farts,
Nah, I've
okay?
been getting off some big farts lately.
Yeah, it's been okay.
It's just they little.
I let off a little seepage, okay? It's just little. I didn't let off no big farts.
It's one that slide right through the crack.
Yeah, it does. It slides. Slides straight through the ass crack. Crack on crack. What you want to say? Don't put your hands over there because your hands got sauce all on them. Look at them.
I don't have that sauce.
Yes, it do. I just looked at them. Look at your hand.
Oh.
I'm going to beat her. Get your hand off her. I'm going to get her.
There's no sauce.
Family, I love y'all.
I love y'all too.
Y'all have
I
a
love
good,
y'all too.
a
I
good,
love y'all too.
good night.
But I gotta show y'all something. I be doing this.
Y'all know she got to be a character, okay?
A character.
That's my queen Mezziah. I love y'all, family. And once again, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification so you can join us as soon as we come on. Give us some thumbs up. Let us know down below what it is, what it do.
No thumbs down.
No thumbs down. But I know it's going to be somebody that's going to give a thumbs down. How much you want to bet?
Don't
Just
say
because
that.
you said no thumbs down,
Don't
okay?
Say that. Don't say that.
But I still love you anyway. Peace out.
Peace out to the Middle East. Hasta luego.
Peace.
Peace.